The shortest verse in the Bible is just 2 words. Jesus wept. Not Jesus prayed, not Jesus encouraged. Hindi Jesus reminds everyone that everything happens for a reason. Jesus wept. Umiyak si Jesus. And what always stops me about that is the context behind it. He already knew that he was about to raise Lazarus from the dead. He had the answer, he had the power to do it. And he stood there and he cried with the people who were hurting. He was hurting as well. Umiyak siya kahit alam niya magiging okay lang lahat sa huli. I think about that a lot because my father just passed away. And I keep trying to catch the lesson behind all of what has happened. Parang YouTube video na may ads na gusto ko skip. Skip to the lesson. Skip to the part that is most important. Trying to find the meaning fast. Ano bang gusto mong ituro sa akin ngayon, Panginoon? Ba't ang sakit? Ba't kailangan maging masakit? Pero alam niyo kung yung Son of God, si Jesus, di ba? He allowed himself to cry, even if he knew the ending. And maybe you, who is experiencing grief as well, you don't have to rush past the grief. Maybe you can allow yourself to feel things. Grief is not a detour from faith. It tells you that you loved someone so deeply, and now the heart is looking for something to do with all that love. My friend, if you are also experiencing pain, let me tell you that you are allowed to feel grief. You are allowed to cry, as Jesus did when his friend Lazarus died.